Okay, so today we're back with our '09 Ford Escape XLT, my $540 ride that I bought for my stepson, who's already totaled 2 vehicles. This one he is, surprisingly enough, not wrecked yet, but today we got a little issue that we got to take care of. So we got to replace, and I'll show you. So back here on the back on these Escapes, you can actually pop this glass or open this hatch. So when I pop the glass, you'll see real quick. Yep. So you see where this is busted. It is completely broke out of here. Now this side is still okay. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to get this removed and ready. I've got the brand new off Amazon replacement hinges, so we're going to replace both hinges real quick. Let me work on getting this side off first. I'll show you what tools we're going to need, and then we'll replace them together. Okay, if you own a Ford product and you work on it, these will come in handy. These are, I believe, Torx bits. So it looks like, to take it out of the glass, you've got one here, one here. I'm going to use it's going to be a T27. I'm going to start with taking these out and see where I get. Again, I've never done this job myself before, but I think that's going to be the plan. So I don't know if I need to, but I went ahead and disconnected the rear window defrost. I just took a little flat screwdriver here. Just one on each side. I popped it here and there. So let me get that T27 and work on getting these out. Okay, so the next thing, these are the ones that go to the body. So that's actually a 7/16. You're going to need a deep well. This little cover pops off with a screwdriver. This one here is a rubber one there. Now when I took this rear window defrost, these bolts are just really just corroded and nasty. I did break this little piece of plastic that holds where your rear defrost plugs in. So let me get the kids to help me take these bolts out, and then I'll show you the replacement hinges. Okay, so this is the one on the driver's side that's broke. That bolt broke where it won't screw in. I've got it detached. The passenger side one, thank you, buddy. Passenger side one was still good, just a little corroded. So this is the new set. I'm gonna have to climb up. These go on the outside with the hinges. Looks like it's got a rubber. We'll figure it out when we get up here. I think the rubber piece, this goes on the inside. This goes up top with these through bolts, but I got 2 of them. And they're actually labeled R1 and L1. Okay, so really the easiest way to do this, have a couple set of hands. I got my stepsons up here helping me out. So you've got a hole here, the hinges are out. I see your hand, Lucas. Then I got Bentley over here. Hinges are out. So I'm gonna grab the new hinges. I'm gonna put them in, get everything tightened up. I managed not to break this on this side. On this side, it looks like that's just double-sided tape. I might be able to find that somewhere at the junkyard and just pull another one off. Or I may be able to double-side tape that back up if I have double-side tape in the garage. All right, give me just a second. We're gonna put a new hinge here and a new hinge here. Just like. Okay, and the finished product plugged back in. I got these bolts all tightened back up. I'm gonna need to tuck that some more. I'm gonna grab my trim tool and work on that. But you seen what we had before. I think this was like 15 bucks. I'll put a link in the description of this video to where I got my hinges at. But just a few little tools, and I mean, it opens, shuts, latches perfectly. Does everything hinges should do. And just like that, that's going to be the end of this video. Again, if you like stuff like this, consider subscribing to my channel. I hope this was helpful. This wasn't too bad of a job. Having the two boys was definitely a plus in doing this one. Definitely a plus. Having them hold the glass. You definitely want to remove the hatch struts from the bottom of the glass before you take the glass out. It makes it a lot easier. So far, so good. It is latched right up. I'll have another one together soon, and I hope to see you then.